So I'm at a job here in West Leederville. So we're putting a pine lap fence down the side here. So it's just going to start from this corner here and travel all the way down that fence line. As you can see, there's a lot of vine in the way. But I'm going to run a bit along the back here so we see the face side of the palings. I'm going to rip out 7 sheets of that asbestos and put in basically some post and panel retaining system down in here, and then run the fence back up basically to the corner of that house. That's the job. Alright, so finally I've got the wood frame in. So this is all on the left hand side of the property, and it's a 3-rail system, as you can see, and I've weather cut each post so as the water hits the top of the post it'll just run off. And I've also used special galvanized bugle screws that are like basically 100mm long. They pull the rail very tightly into the post, and I've built this structure in front of the other one so that the guy can have a barbecue, and you know, the pine lap will be up high enough to give him a bit of privacy. And along here before was asbestos, so that's all been ripped out, and I've built a retaining wall which is the post and panel retaining wall. And then built the frame all the way to the end, and then back up the other boundary line. And when I ripped out the asbestos, they were about 1-metre sheets, so there was this little gap. So I've attached these 2 pieces of wood to the back of that post, and I'll just put a bit of pine lap there just to give, well, basically just to cover up the gap. Now I'm going to put all the pine lap pieces on. Well, here we go. I've just finished this job. You can see the green mist capping. You can see here where I've used longer pieces to step it up to go along the line with the patio. And over there I've used long pieces 2.4 just here because of the distance down to the ground, and then step it down and then go across and then back up again. That's the job.